Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add transitions in Instagram Reels. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Instagram application on your Android and iOS. And after you opened up your Instagram application, what you're gonna have to do here that you will just tap on the plus icon here, okay, and then you will tap on the Reels option here, basically, okay, and then I will select a camera here, and then I will basically make two reels, okay, and then again I will make a reel here. Now you can see that we have these two reels here, so I will tap on next here, and then at the bottom left side you can see this option where it says edit video. So tap on, and now you can see that we have these two reels here, okay. So you can basically add the transition here in between. Just tap on this minus icon, and then here you can see we have bunch of different transitions here, okay. So it will basically show you the transition in the preview, so like this one here. So when you are done, tap on done, and now when you will play this video here, you will see a transition like this one. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.